birthing your drum and being part of a process of creating and bringing into life your very own drum is a very powerful and fulfilling process that is totally unique to you. It made you contact with ancestral wisdom to seek strength and inspiration in your heart and to give birth in our reality, an instrument, a power, companion, teacher, deep medicine capable of touching your soul. Bringing a drum to life is like the birth of a magnificent force in our reality. The drum is a vibrant entity in which inhabit the spirit of the tree with which the frame was made, the spirit of the animal that gave its letter to the patch, and the spirit of the one who made it, you. During the process of waving, you enter a deep connection of breath of life with this instrument that is about to be born. It's a creative and gestation process where all the attention, patience, and temperance is required. As you, when you were born, each beat of the drum that you will sound will be expanding that personal medicine that you have discovered while you are tending into it, and you will be expanding your voice and light to the world. Each drum is unique, just like you. The more we get in tune with it, the more revelations will be shown to you. Do we remember the first sound we hear? It was a long, long time ago. We will not remember it, because the first time we heard something, we were not even born. It was in the womb of our mother. Drum meditation facilitates the healthy deconstruction of the ego through its powerful resonance with the deepest, which invites the soul to speak. A healthy drumming meditation is like a lever that taps into the dark depths of your soul